to my YouTube channel. My name is Chimdinma. If you're new here, you're welcome to Chimdinma channel. So on my last video, I took you guys along with me from Abuja to Bauchi, and we came to Bauchi for a project, and my friend, and she has a project, and then I volunteered to be like part of it. So today we'll be going out to like see the girls and like be part of what it is they are learning, you know, and everything. So I want to carry you guys along, you know. Let's see Bauchi together. First of all, let's see the project we came to do, and hopefully we get to see Bauchi together. So far so good. I'm actually enjoying my stay, to be honest. Yesterday, as soon as we came in, I was very exhausted, so we just had to rest, chill and everything. But now we'll be going out very soon, so I'm just waiting for Precious to be ready. And then we'll be going out soon, so like to go and, you know, the teachings, to see the girls and everything. So if it's something you want to be part of, you can definitely watch this video to the end. In Zama Kamarda Kai Yarani ya Yesuna Yarani ma aikenka Oh Yarani ya Yesuna In Zama Kamarda Kai Yarani ya Yesuna. What's it?
Okay.
Okay, and for broilers, for layers, we have. We have frozen chicken, please go and buy a lot of frozen chicken.
Let me see.
Yeah.
So that was
How much you guys sell like this?
3,000. 3,000.
For full chicken?
Yeah.
It's fair now.
Yes, please.
Who in Abuja will sell full chicken for you? Frozen
this
chicken?
one is not agri.
2.5.
Is that big now?
Although it's small though.
No, they are
They're
bigger
bigger ones.
They are bigger ones. Big, they are 2.5. They are small.
Oh, okay.
Let them chopped
Okay.
and packaged.
Wow.
Yeah. That's
Okay.
Yeah, a couple of others thematic areas, but basically more sectorally impacting the livelihood of the Bauchi is what we're trying to do here, you know what I'm saying?
Uncle Zuriel, give them.
Our captain's personal baby boy, Arandes.
Okay.
Arandes is actually RFS Rasul and his wife, and Sefia. Yeah, so the services are basically fitness and wellness. That destination Bauchi, we actually have that hotel, we're opening a sports area. We've gotten a very huge expanse of land within that hotel.
Okay.
Yeah, and so we're going to open a whole sports, recreational, general contractors.
So we're currently working to like one of the classes, and that's like the computer science class, where the girls are taught to like, you know, computer skills and all that. So let's work together. In Zama Kamarda
I hope you learned a lot, and I hope as you leave here, you find a new reason to either be STEMpreneurs, STEM creatives, or STEM employed. And congratulations. So I'll hand over to Chidinma. I don't know, Chidinma, you can just say hi. She's actually Igbo. This is the first time she's been in Northern States. But I'm from Bauchi State.
Oh, you're from our
Yes.
township, and you are our own. And you also, you're not going back.
If you could just find like one.
Yes, now, whatever you want. Don't even mention it. Don't worry, you're not going back. You are not going back. You're staying here.
So yes, I'm very excited to be here as well. And first, to me, it's the environment first is new. I'm just happy to like, I've never been to like a court in our state before. This is my first time, and then it's not in Bauchi. And I'm so happy to that I get to be part of like a project like this, like to me. I just want to encourage each and every one of you to take what you're doing very seriously. Because honestly, you don't know where it's going to benefit you. Yes. You don't know. So just take it very seriously. And you didn't even get to like spend money for it.
Yes.
Take it. Don't say because it's free, let you do it anyhow. You know that there was a list and then they chose you. Where you are with.
Yes.
they needed like so many, a lot of people applied, but they chose only 3 people, and you were among. That means you're very special. First of all, blackberries. Very, very, very special. So just like finished the girls were there. So now we're going to look for something to eat. Yes, guys, I want to go find what to eat right now because I'm super hungry. Yeah, let's get something to eat, and yeah, from there, probably we'll go home and then continue. Okay, no, we'll not go home. After eating, we'll go to the next class. Then we'll go home and continue to. It's like we're going back to the airport side. So, yes.
Let's try. Oh, yeah, they have salad here.
Guys, I just came back home. Hell! We're not done for the day, but we have shall come back. And we shall go out back again. This channel that I've closed for today. But I like because what is it? I like because I'm outside with Precious again. But back outside. We came for what? What's the word? For work. No rest. We are back. So yeah.
Make sure the sound is going to come out with your earphone.
This is where like other classes happen. The students are here, so let's go and see. Just
Do you understand? Do you understand what I'm saying? Thank you. So that's what I want. Thank you. So please all our shoulders, our casings and stuff. These are a building from architecture. So when they design it, they just come and print it.
Okay.
Yeah. This is freehand. And this is oscilloscope. This one is oscilloscope, and this is very important. So let's do this. You have to put that to the back. So you make it here. It's not the way that you get it.
Step out and I just talk to you guys. So these girls are doing so well, to be honest. Like they're doing so well. So there's the 3D class, there's the electronics, and there's so a lot of things going on there now. They're really doing so well. So like they have their instructors, their teachers, they meet certain times in the week to be taught, all those kind of things. I'm so proud to be part of something like this, to be honest. They're doing so well. So guys, we're finally back to the hotel, and to be honest,
There's no lights.
guys, we're finally back, and this is a wrap for today. Tomorrow, I guess we have some other places to go to. I'm not sure, ask Precious, because it's the weekend. But besides that, yeah, I've carried you guys along on everything so far today. To be honest, I'm very tired. I also want to rest. So yes, let me know if you liked this video. Let me know if there's something you think I should do more, or what is it that you'd like to see about you. Yeah, you can just say it in the comment section. Probably if I leave here, I'll get to like show you guys those stuff. Until then, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.